Hi, I am Aditya Basarajmani, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, in the Department of Artificial Intelligence. Today I am going to explain about the introduction to operating systems. An introduction to operating systems. An operating system or OS is a low-level software that enables a user and higher-level application software to interact with the computer's hardware and the data and other programs stored on the computer. An OS performs basic tasks such as recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to the display screen, keeping the track of files and directories on the disk, and controlling peripheral devices such as printers. Other services of OS: program execution, input and output operations, communications are the other services of operating system. The first one is program execution. Operating system provides an environment where the user can conveniently run programs. The user does not have to worry about the memory allocation or CPU scheduling. Input and output operations. Each program requires input and produces output. The operating system hides some of the details of underlying hardware for such input and output. All the users sees is that the input and output has been performed without these details. Communications. There are instances where processes need to be communicate with each other to exchange information. It may be between processes running on the same computer or running in the different computers. The operating system provides that the services to application programs, making inter-processes communication possible and relieving the user of having to worry about how this accomplished. Application programs and operating system. Operating systems provide a software platform on the top of which other programs called application programs can run. The choice of operating system therefore determines to have a great extent the application a user can run. For example, the DOS operating system contains commands such as copy and rename for copying files and changing the name of the files. Respectively, the commands are accepted and executed by the part of the operating system. Similarly, the Unix operating system has commands like cp and mv to copy and rename. Unix. Unix was one of the first operating systems to be written in 1971. Advantages of Unix are multitasking. Multiple programs can run at a one time. Multiple users. Allows more than a single user to work at any given time. This is accomplished by sharing processes time between each user. It is safe, like prevents one program from accessing memory or storage space allocated to another program and enables the file protection, requires user to have permission to perform certain functions such as accessing a directory file or a disk drive. Let us discuss about the types of operating systems. The first one is Microsoft Windows and Mainframe, DOS, OS bar 2, Linux, Mac OS, and Amiga OS. Some reference images for types of OS. This is the evolution of Windows. The evolution of OS 2. Storage management is defined as it refers to the management of the data storage equipments that are used to store the user or computer generated data. Hence, it is a tool or a set of process used by an administrator to keep your data and storage equipments safe. The storage management is a process for users to optimize the use of storage devices and to protect the integrity of the data for any media on which the resides, and the category of the storage management generally contain the different type of subcategories covering the aspects such as security, visualization and more, as well as a different type of provisioning or automation, which is generally made up of an entire storage management software market. Features of storage management. There is some features of storage management which is provided for a storage capacity. These are given below. First one is storage management is a process that is used to optimize the use of storage devices. Storage management must be allocated and managed as a resource in order to truly benefit a corporation. Storage management is generally a basic system of component of information systems. It is used to improve the performance of the data storage resources. Now let us discuss about the advantages of storage management. There are some advantages of storage management which are given below. It becomes very simple to manage a storage capacity. It generally reduces the time consumption. It improves the performance of the system. In visualization and automation technologies, it can help an organization to improve its agility. Limitations of storage management. Limited physical storage capacity. Operating systems can have only managed the physical storage space that is available, and as such, there is a limit to how much data can be stored. Performance degradation with increased storage utilization. As more data is stored, the system's performance can decrease due to the increased disk access time, fragmentation, and other factors. Complexity of storage management. Storage management can be complex, especially as the size of storage environment grows.